That's your head, that's your head, that's your head, that's your head. Hey, what's up everyone? We are at the Kerchor Phuket Elephant Sanctuary. Today we are going to feed and bathe the elephants, which is a lot better than riding them. The ones that we did in Bangkok, I didn't really enjoy because it is so, I don't know, I just felt that the elephants weren't being looked after as they should be. It is just money making for them. But here, they're in the wild. If you can just see, just over there, you've got elephants where you can bathe them, feed them and play around with them. Should be pretty cool. Right, we're making a vitamin ball for the elephants. So what we're going to be doing is pounding some grain.
Go on, Naman. Come on.
Let me try. I'll pretend it's somebody's head.
I wonder whose.
Yes, I wonder.
Oh, bananas.
Go on.
Go on, Aryan. Mash it up.
Smells nice.
Ooh, Charlie.
Yeah.
Come on, Charlie, mash it up.
Try some if you want, Chris. Yeah. That's your head, that's your head, that's your head, that's your head.
Then we go to see the Thai first.
The Sirpals was the best. I had a lot of inspiration.
Look at your name, everybody.
That's pretty.
That's yours, Charlie.
Okay, and then you take it and hang on there.
Is that one mine?
That's mine. That's
That's
all.
Aryan.
That's all red.
Is this one mine?
Oh, that's mine.
Don't be cry.
No, this one's mine.
Don't be cry.
Mm.
You don't cry?
Looks like an aftermath of a murder.
You cry?
Yeah. Mine looks like some kind of quasar
Yeah,
star.
yours is the best. But that's a nice one.
Yeah, you don't eat it.
Take a board.
That's
Take a board.
for elephants.
There we go. What are you gonna do? Prashad. We're going to the elephants now.
Didi.
I'm going to my other friend.
Didi.
So I'll record.
He wants from the trunk.
There you go, sir. Back here? Okay.
Didi.
Go on, Charlie. Feed. On. Get closer. Don't be scared.
My bucket's filling.
Use the mine if you want. I'm going to record everyone. There you go, mister. There you go, mister. Go on then, I'll give you one more, mate. There you go. There you go, mate. Give him some. Another one. Good boy. Give me one more.
Sir, she wants to know. She wants to know what you're doing. See the camera.
I'm filming. Here, look.
Show her.
Come here. Say hello.
เนี่ยดูสิอยากเห็นก็ดูสิเนี่ยไม่มีกล้องยังไงอ่ะเนี่ยดูสิดูถ่ายรูปอ่ะเขาถ่ายรูปอ่ะ
Say hello. Hello.
Yeah.
What's your name?
น้ำหวาน
Laman. My name is Aman.
Amen เนี่ย
Amen.
this name is Buddy
Hello, mister. How are you?
this name is Buddy
Buddy. Good boy. Go on, Chris. Carry on feeding. Hello. You want to touch, Harry? Yeah. Big animals, aren't they? So all these here, they're basically rescue animals. Well, rescue elephants. Some have come from the circus, some have come from sort of like wood mills, some have come from, you know, the place we went in Bangkok where they just go round and round and round and take tourists on a ride. They've been rescued from there. Some of them are traumatised. There's 3 elephants which they're not showing us because they're a bit naughty, should we say. And they're not very good with people. But these baby elephants are so cute. Just put your hand out. There you go. Gonna wash our hands and now we're gonna go in the jungle. In the jungle. Right, just taking a break before we go in the jungle. And they've given us these Thai desserts. A lot of pancakes. What's the name? Khon Nom Kruk. Khon Nom Kruk. Which are rice, is it? Rice with sugar and milk? Oh, coconut milk, rice, and a little bit of sugar. Okay, very nice.
I quite like it actually, it's like pancakes.
They're like pancakes, yeah. There's burning a fire over there. I think it's for the mosquitoes.
Yes.
For the mosquitoes, is it? Yeah. I'm very smart. They're like your tutors, Chris. God. Well, there's an ant's nest there, careful. A recommendation would be is when you come, it's muddy when you go into the jungle and there's hundreds and thousands of mosquitoes. Cover your legs and arms if you can, or just drench yourself with mosquito repellent, because they're flipping everywhere and just being bit constantly right now. Right, that trek through the jungle has absolutely killed my arms because I didn't put any mosquito repellent on my arms. Don't know if you can see, but they're all prickly right now. They're stinging and itchy. But now we're gonna wash the elephants. Now then, finished for today. Absolutely amazing experience. Highly, highly, highly recommended. So the place is called, there we go, the Kerchor Elephant Sanctuary in Phuket. Hey all, what's happening? Okay, from the Elephant Sanctuary we went back to the hotel, had a bit of a rest. It is 9:45 now. We're just on the side of Bungalow Road where all the action's happening. pretty hungry. We were wanting a Pizza Hut, but Pizza Hut's got really bad reviews here for some reason. The staff and the food ain't all that. So we are now at Pizzeria Hut number 1, just off the Bangla Road. Got our drinks and ready to go.